Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Windowz Tech. Today, we're diving deep into a common and frustrating issue for Windows 10 users, the Critical Process Died blue screen error. If you've ever encountered this dreaded blue screen, you're in the right place because we're going to walk you through the entire troubleshooting process step by step. Before we jump into the solutions, let's get a clear understanding of what this error is all about. The critical process died error usually appears when a critical system process encounters a problem, leading to a sudden system crash and a blue screen. Common causes of this error include corrupt system files, hardware issues, incompatible drivers, and sometimes even malware. Let's kick things off with some basic troubleshooting steps to tackle the critical process died error. To fix this issue, first we need to go to the advanced mode. There are two methods to get to the advanced mode. If in case your PC or laptop is not booting up, then you can use the first method to get to the advanced option. First one is that you have to force shut down your PC. Click on the power button, and as soon as the Windows logo shows up, force shut down your machine. Do this step 3 to 4 times till you get the screen saying preparing automatic repair. This method works on every laptop. Second method is, go to search and type reset this PC. Click on it. Below you can see the advanced startup. Click on the restart now button. The PC will restart, just wait for a few seconds. Then your system will open up in the advanced mode. From here we will repair our system. Click on the troubleshoot option, after that go to the advanced option. First method, we will try to use the startup repair. With this it will repair all the startup files or any boot file. Click on it and it will restart the PC and start the diagnose. As you can see, the diagnose process has started. Wait for a few minutes. It takes a bit time to repair the corrupted files. So you can see the process has been completed, but in my case the startup repair did not fix the issue. If even for you this method did not work, then don't worry, we got you. We have a second method to fix it. Again, click on the advanced option, then click troubleshoot option and then advanced option. Now from here we will select the command prompt. Through the command prompt we will try to fix the issue. First command is bootrec/fixbr. MBR is a kind of boot fill, so we will repair that. Hit enter. Our second command is bootsec/nt60sys. Hit enter. Our third command is bootrec/fixboot. Hit enter. Our fourth command is bootrec/rebuild. Hit enter. Our fifth and final command is sfc/scannow. With this command, if any corrupted window files are there, it will repair it. This will take some time to complete the process. Hang in there, this process will take just a few minutes. The process has been completed. Now we will type exit. Now click on continue. And let your PC reboot. After this you can see that your issue will be fixed. Great job! We've covered several methods to troubleshoot and fix the critical process died blue screen error on Windows 10. Remember that these solutions may vary depending on your specific situation, so don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Windowz Tech for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.